Howdy YouTube friends. Today it's bright. Got a late start this morning, but last night we cut 4 trees up, dropped 4 trees and cut 4 trees up. Brought some logs back to put on the mill today, and these are really nice logs. They're pretty straight, pretty big size logs. I haven't measured them. I think they're about 14 inches on the big side and probably like 16 to 15 on the small side. We already leveled the log by measuring and centering the pith at 7 and 7, so we should be good with that. So now let's make the first cut. We got the water dripping, have gas.
That's correct. I've got gas.
Now when we first start to saw, it's really important to try to let the motor warm up just a little bit. Even though it's warm outside, we'll let the motor warm up just a little bit before we put it under any strain. Here we go. I think we're going to try to get some either 2x6s or 2x4s out of this log. We have a stock of some of the 1x stuff, which we'll always need some 1x stuff, but we definitely need to start building some inventory for some 2x4s and 2x6s and stuff for building purposes. So with this bigger log, I think if we go around and get the right cant and measure it, and we should be able to drop it down and maybe get several 2x4s or 2x6s, or as wide as it is, if you kind of, unless this is 12 inches, get 2x6s. If you get the right cant, you could, if it's 4 inches or something, we'll figure it out and get 2x4 or 2x6 or 2x8s, but or both. But my understanding of the width that this possibly be, if you're going to do it, be a 2x6s, because if you do a 2x8 here, it leaves a 2x4 possibly. But let's roll it around. That ½ inch come out from right there. Okay, well let's go. Now these are square and flat with the bunk, with the log stops.
Right against the stop?
Yeah. We got one more brand new blade that the company shipped us. Hopefully it's the right size. This one's getting kind of dull, but we might be able to finish off this log before I have to switch, and then I'm going to have to learn how to sharpen blades. So yeah, let's take first cut off of this and see what we got. After we rolled the log again, we're working our way to get down to the camp, then we'll measure what we got left and see what we are going to try to achieve with this log. It's getting warm out here. Now it's time for your favorite part. Roll the log again. You can come down just a hair, another click or two. That should be evenly cut to make 2x4s. Alright, we got cut down the middle, and we got the log flipped up. We're going to take a thin cut off of there, remeasure it, possibly have to take an inch board or so off, and then we should have a perfect 8" by 8" to make 2x4s. Guys, it's off level. You guys in there, why are you so off level? Stop being off level. Come down to 12. We just created paneling. But these are perfect 2x4s. True. Before, you know, all the hoopla of planing and all that.
Get that other log over top.
What's that?
Get that other log over top of it.
Yeah, there's 2 pieces of paneling. Oh. Alrighty guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you watched this far, sure appreciate it. If you give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave me a comment on something you may see needs improved, or some ideas you may have we may imply in here on the sawmill. Still learning curve, so we figured out how to make 2x4s. Good to go. Now we need to make a lot more 2x4s for the buildings and outbuildings and the shed roof, we'll be building over this Slicer Dicer 3000. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. I sure appreciate it. Love all you guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Later.